west. Position lang sa west. Just position on west, okay? Aussie now. Aussie. Okay now. Come. Okay, go. Go. Just brawl lang. Brawl din position on north. Brawl lang position on north. Pa-open ako ng chest kung kaya ma-open ng chest. Okay, na-open natin yung chest. Sayang, nasa atin yung points. Okay na, go. Go, brawl north. Okay, delete them all.
Dead.
Delete. Okay, straight north. Just skate north. Continue skate north lang. Continue night court. Okay, pop your defensive. Defensive. Another hold. Okay. Yung wicked mamamatay na yan, no? Wicked. Nice kill. Kill. Going northwest. Northwest. Huwag kayo pumunta dyan. Masasandwich kayo pababa. Spread north. Mid tayo sa north. Yung mga nasa taas natin, sila Zian, pahabol kay Zian. Namatay kay Zian. Kam nam. Yung kay Zian, nandito pa yung team sa north.
Balik ako dyan.
Yes. Sa north. Fokusan nyo na yan. Fokusan mo na yan. Fokusan na yan. Si ano? You're dead, bitch. Kita ka.
Pahilaw ko
Okay.
sa likod.
Ay.
Yung blight, sino yung blight doon?
Palo. South. Back up tayo.
Trigger. Kayo.
Boss Bugs, dito marami sa likod dito.
Okay, Ena, nandiyan na sila. Okay, going west. West. West tayo, west. Establish lang on west. Focus sa west. Focus sa bear po, ah. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Full drop. Drop. Nice drop. Down now. Keep brawling going north. Brawl. Yung save Romy, oh. Save Romy. Establish lang, ah. Establish. Yung backline. Backline. Look south, ah. South. Kasi doubles mo na. 3 seconds to south, ah. 3 seconds to south. Ready? On south. No. On. Ito. Yung nasa harapan niya. 3, 2, 1. Itong nasa harapan. Go. Drop. West. Night delete. Bombay. Continuous west. Okay, now cut. No. Wag. Go west. Tagos sa west. Full heal. Full muna. Establish mo na. Full east now. East. Ready? 3, 2, 1. On east. Drop on east. Drop on east. Drop. Continuous. Okay, going west. Going south. South. Tagos. Yung sabay firewall lang. Firewall. Lagpasan nyo. Okay, full drop na dito, ha. No. Going south. Updale. Masyadong pa marami. Okay, now follow. Ready now. Pop your boots, Ready in 3, 2, 1. On me. Go. Drop. North. Okay. Run them over pero going west. Huwag kayo magpa-east. Run them over going west. West. Delete nyo itong nasa west. Delete nyo yung dalawa. Delete. Nasa west. Continuous yan sa going west. Continuous tayo going west. Hop. Full health muna. Stabilize konti. Okay, nice. Okay, continuous on east. Continuous brawl on east. Go, drop. Here. On front. No. We did natin mag-stabilize. Going north. Northwest. Spread konti. Asan na yung backup natin? On north. Okay, nice. Okay. Dito pa sila. Okay, nagpapakite pa. Okay now. Little bit push lang. Push lang. Kung may defensive, pahuli na ako. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Pop your boots. Okay, nice. Continuous north. Na maga-anchor lang. Okay, keep rolling going north. Just keep rolling lang north. North, 1 by 1 lang, 1 by 1. Keep rolling lang. 7 seconds to counter. 7 seconds to counter. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep rolling lang. 7 seconds to counter clamp. 7 seconds. Continuous. North. Pop your boots up. On north side. In 3, 2, 1. On me, big clap. On me, drop. Nice. Very good. Now, continuous north. Run over nyo na yan. Wag nyo na akong habulin dito. Kumahabol, palo lang. Pop your boots again. North side. In 3, 2, 1, on north side. Drop now. Drop. Kill, patayin nyo na yan. Floro. Huwag nyo na pauwi niyan. Next. Another hold. Continuous west. Yung naka-blight na, yung exi-coin na. Pero sa likod. Okay, back mo dito. Pakit pay the crown. Up. South. Up and south. Okay, heal on Judy. Okay, now look north now. Ready? 3, 2, 1, on me. Big clamp. Drop all. Nice, very good. Now continuous. Spread, going east. East. One by one lang. Focus. See me rolling. Focus. Okay. Palo. Yung mga nasa iwas sa likod, mount up na. Straight east lang. Most B. Delete lang, miss. Stick me rolling. Delete na. Stick me rolling. Delete nyo na yan. Just delete that. Delete nyo na. Stick me rolling. Nice, very good. Going south. South. Itong most B, oh. Most B. Boom. Okay, nice. Casualty.
Parang wala yata.
Wala, boss. Wala.
Labas, wala namatay sa atin.
Okay na.
Nakapag-soup.
Oh, tara na.